utungata wa urigiti kuria kaunti-ini ya Narok na tugicokererie ciegie kigomano kia ucenjia wa riera na ni ati mutumia wa munini wa president niwe Pastor Dorcas niagathiririe mutumia wa mutongoria wa bururi ni mama Rachael ruto ni kiria augite ati ni gukorwo muharini wa mbere hari guteithiriria na gukorwo akionereria atumia gukorwo mari muharini wa mbere hari guteithiriria kuhurana na ugaruruku wa riera. Kuringana na Mtungatiri onwe Pastor Dorcas augite ati atumia nio areri na ni magirwo gukorwo mari muharini wa mbere wa kuhurana na ugaruruku wa riera. Arakiaragia hindi ya kana arakiaragia kigomano-ini giki na kira kiragithii na mbere guku nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC.
One of the greatest things that I know and I believe is that our host, Her Excellency, the First Lady of our Republic, is the leader of the climate, growth, green, everything. I think mothers and women are going to be the leaders in this climate change and climate action. When you come to mothers, they are naturals. And I think if women were to take up this climate change, it will go to another level. The reason is that they constitute the greatest percentage of the people that actually care about the environment, the forests, and even when we come to literacy, mothers are some of the people who teach their children. And I believe that when we as mothers and women take up this action, we will start it from cradle when we give our birth to our babies and when we are bringing up.
Icio oni ciegie kigomano kiria kiragithii na mbere